So two great tips that I've got here before we start drilling out this socket and cutting out the socket is detach your hole saw from your arbor. You can then lay this on your socket cutout. And what you can do is it gives you your center line of where you need to mark. So make sure you're not over either of your cuts. Once you've done that, just pop your hole there. That's now going to give me the right position to start my drilling. The second is make sure that you've got plenty of space underneath the bench, so that when you're drilling, you cut straight through the panel.